It's giveaway time, dog. So, first and foremost, for all of you who subscribe to the channel, thank you so much. It means the world, for real, for real. Much love and appreciation. All right, let's get into the giveaway. Teraflex 2-inch coil puck spacer lift for the WJ. Now, originally, I was gonna give away these ones because I'm not using them anymore, but it's not a complete set because I'm still using the bump stop, but I still have these. But I was able to get a complete set. So I'm gonna have two winners. First place, complete set. Second place, you get these bad boys. Now, if you're a master fabricator or DIYer or modifier like your boy, then you can probably get these to work on, I don't know, a bunch of different applications. But again, thank you guys so much for getting the channel to 700 subscribers. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe so we can get more people. I can do more things like this, and I'm really excited about this giveaway. We're gonna do the giveaway July 31st. It's a Monday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and I'm gonna do it live on the channel. So make sure you tuned in because I want you to be the winner. All right. What's up? It's your boy, Big Mace for She's back out here in this thing, baby. So now, welcome to episode 1 of the Jeep WJ Rebuild Chronicles. So, you know, your boy's been running this bad boy super tough. I mean, we've been hitting trails, events, we've been monster trucking, we've been mud running, and you know what I'm saying, lake diving, and yeah, me and the Jeep been getting it in, let me tell you. But along with that, yeah, it's been slightly neglected because I've been running so hard. Well, I've had time, but I've just been running this bad boy so much, it needs some TLC. So what happened was I was like, okay, as soon as something blows or goes or breaks and I have to sit him down for a minute, then I'm gonna go through it and just really give him some love. So that's what happened. And basically what happened was the radiator. Yeah. I got the grill off and everything because the stock radiator right in that area, let me see, make sure you guys can see, right in there, it cracked. So since that happened, I had to sit him down, and I had a bunch of mud and stuff caked up in my, I think that's the AC condenser, compressor, whatever that word says. So yeah, I need to do a lot of maintenance on this thing. So I have a radiator coming. I'll show you what that looks like because it's not a stock one, so stay tuned for that one. Yeah, a bunch of other stuff. So there'll be some episodes of this Jeep WJ Rebuild Chronicles, you know what I mean? What we're gonna do today is try to get my clutch fan out. Because when looking at a previous video of how to get this out, it seems pretty easy to get this whole thing out minus this piece, which is not the radiator. The radiator is right here. So I can unbolt that from this, and as long as that clutch fan's out the way, I can essentially pull this whole thing up where it has the radiator and the shroud attached, and then I can detach everything after that. And there is a 2-speed electric fan tied into this too. So first thing is get this clutch fan off. I got a tool that's gonna hold the pulley there and that bolt, and we should be able to pull that thing out. So let me show you what tool I got. I have this bad boy right here. So that's supposed to help me hold that pulley in place while I try to get at that bolt on the clutch fan. This thing was brand new. I'm the first person to rent that joker, so that's cool. And then this bad boy right here is a cool little set of basically the different sizes of all the fan clutch, you know what I'm saying, blah blah blah, bolts or whatever. So bunch of different sizes. You can just hook up to your 1/2-inch ratchet or breaker bar or whatever. And so let me get that set up, figure out how to use that, and we're going to try to get that fan clutch off. Wish me luck. Yeah, so this tool right here, can you see it? Yeah, this thing is dope. So basically, this little lever down here, if you push on it, opens that up. You know what I mean? It has small little teeth on there. And what you do is you clamp these, like, let me see if I can do it so y'all can see, right in here and right in here, because my clutch fan has 4 bolts that go around. So you just loop these around 2 of them, and as you clamp down, that little mechanism right there, oh, right there, will hold them in place. So then once you got this on there, you can just hold that pulley and use the other thing and wrench it off. So I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so you can see down in there, there's a couple bolts on the pulley that holds the clutch fan. I'm going to use this to clamp on the 2 bolts you can see in the front. Hopefully you can see those. And let's see if I can get in there while I got y'all on camera as I'm blocking the view. Hook around 1. Got that. It's kind of hard to see, but got the 1. Anyways, so now I'm on both of them. It's kind of hard to see in there, but I am hooked on both of them. So now if I twist, just by grabbing those, I'm able to move the pulley. You know what I mean? So now I could literally hold this right here and put the other tool on that bolt and pull the other way and loosen that bolt for the clutch fan to come on off. So this is pretty dope. It's a little loose, but it's hard to do with one hand in the camera. So let me get on the other piece. All right, so I was looking through the kit, and this is the like open-end wrench accessory piece they had in there. It is the, I don't know if you can see that, 36 millimeter. So this one fits around that bolt. So let me show you how this works. Hopefully you can see in there. But essentially, I'll come from the other side, slide this over that bolt, and now I should be able to loosen this by pulling on this handle and pushing the opposite way on this piece. Oh. I think I got him, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, buddy. So just take you a little bit to get him off, and then, man, it's gonna make this job so much easier. Just take your time with it, you know, give it a little love tap here and there. You know, make sure you let them know who's the Bezos. Let me get this off, and yeah. So generally you want to be careful about taking this off. You don't want it to bang into your radiator and all that, but just like that, these 2 pieces hold the pulley, take the bolt off, or the nut. Pulley, nut. Bam! That was so easy. All right, so here comes the fun part, because now I gotta get the clutch fan up out of there. So it's either coming out the top or the bottom, but it's coming out. Get around it. Oh. Oh. So yeah, man, clutch fan. If you look at it, which way is it? Oh, yeah, hold on. So if you look at it this way, it looks like a little person. So you got the head, left hand, right hand. You get it. Don't look like a little person? Okay, got him out. That was lovely. That was so easy. But now that's out of the way, you can see I got the electric fan back there, which is fairly new, still works. And the radiator's behind there. I'm opting for an aftermarket one. We'll see how it goes, but hopefully I get a good one, not a bad one. But step one of the Jeep WJ Rebuild Chronicles in the books. I'm gonna go ahead and end it there. We got the clutch fan out. If you guys got any questions, let me know. I will put the links in the description to these tools. And so you guys can, you know, use those if you need to. But yeah, we got that out. That's step number one in the books. All right, don't forget, I got the giveaway going on, and man, I'm so excited to do the giveaway. I appreciate you guys so much for getting your boy, or this channel, I should say, to 700 subscribers. Truly, for real, appreciate it. And I'm glad you guys, you know, like the content and continue to watch. By doing that, it just allows me to do a lot more of this. So, giveaway, Teraflex 2-inch coil spacer lift for the WJ. Now, if some of you guys are master fabricators or DIYer fabricators, modifiers like your boy, they might work for your application too. So yeah, don't forget, click on that link down in the description, and hopefully one of you guys will be the winner. Well, one of you guys will be the winner, so hopefully it'll be you. All right, don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for this Jeep WJ Rebuild Chronicle, because it's going to be full of just your boy getting here and doing stuff, and hopefully you guys get something you can take away from it. Don't forget, always, you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at FuelNominal. Your boy on there always posting stuff, so, you know, check in with me from time to time. And y'all already know what to do. Be easy. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. What's up, little bit?
Hey.
Yeah, you silly. What you up to?
Oh, Mommy just asked me for a
Okay. Now, welcome to episode 1 of Jeep Build. Oh, messed that all up. Sorry for all the banging and loud noise. But if you ain't making loud noise, you ain't doing it right.